How's it, Aloha gang? We're back here at City Mill hanging out with Iris as we talk all about de-stressing, decluttering as we head into the new year. Iris, we have a lot over here on the table. Let's start with cleaning.
Cleaning. Nobody wants to bring old dirt into the new year, right? So everybody goes through and cleans like crazy people. So we have this great live-in mop. What it does is you put water on one side, rinse off your mop in this, and it cleans it off, and you can mop away and clean your floors.
This is going to be great bathroom, kitchen floors, right? Plus, everyone just probably came over for the holidays.
Yeah.
So what about the dust buster?
The dust buster is great. It's really good for little spills, you know, especially if you're having people over the house for dinner parties and stuff. These are really good. You can follow them around with your dust buster. Right. Okay. We have a couple cleaning things here too that help clean stuff. This is really good for mirrors, for windows, for showers, diamond, magic.
And what's really awesome too, this one is like the all-surface cleaner.
Yes. You can use it for all surfaces. And then a lot of people don't realize that natural beeswax is really great for furniture. Not only wood, but other kinds of furniture. So you can use it on porcelain, copper. You can put it on leather. If you have a leather bag.
So how does this work? It's a spray?
It's a spray, and you just get a cloth and you wipe it down, and it protects everything. And then, of course, you don't want to damage your lovely hands when you're doing that. So everybody should get a pair of gloves if you're really doing some heavy-duty cleaning.
Stay safe from the chemicals.
And then my favorite, Scrub Daddy. These are great. I have them all over. You can use them for outdoor. You can use them for your kitchen. You can use them for your pots and pans. These are great to have. I always have a couple in the house.
Okay, so that's for the cleaning tips. And then as we pack up the Christmas tree, we head into the new year. Let's talk about clearing up all the mess.
Clearing up. So everybody, one of the New Year's resolutions are always to be organized, right? So then this is a great opportunity. Once you cleaned everything, is to try to figure out how to organize. We have these great wall bins, and what they are they're clear bins that you can store things in, and they come with a really handy-dandy wall mount. They're very easy, just 2 screws, and they fit in here, so you can slide them on and off, take them on and off, and fill it in and put it back on the wall.
This is going to be great, especially for those of us who've got little kids running around the house. Toys, all the junk, the basketballs, all that stuff.
All that stuff is really good for the garages too, if you have balls, sports gear. Also in people's bedrooms, if you want to have toys, have electronics, have all that stuff in it. This is perfect for organizing.
And I already noticed as well, we have 2 different sizes right that can accompany different kind of weight.
Yep, so you can do all your different configurations. We also have smaller sizes than this too. So you can go from big to small. You can have it across the bottom. If you're going to put it in a kid's room, you can have a bunch of these and make them responsible for picking up.
Okay, a lot of times people are looking at the mess and they're thinking, where do I start? Where should people start?
At City Mill, of course, at any of our 8 locations, and citymill.com.